Hello, I am Sukanta Paul. Welcome you all in my course, Basic Programming Language. Welcome to Lesson 1 of our Complete Programming course for beginners. In this video, we'll explore what programming really is, how computers understand our instructions, and how almost everything around us runs on code. What is a program? A program is simply a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. Think of it like a recipe. Each step must be followed in order to get the final result. Suppose you give instruction to the computer to add two numbers. The computer will give you the result 2 plus 3 equals 5. But how is it calculated by computer? There is a source code or instructions for that assignment. This source code is written by a programmer. Computers don't understand human language. They only understand machine language, zeros and ones. That's why we use programming languages like C or Python. They act as a bridge between us and the computer. When you run a program, the computer follows your instructions step by step. First, the code is translated into machine language by a compiler or interpreter. Then the CPU executes it, producing the result you see. Programming isn't just about computers, it's everywhere. The apps you use, your phone's alarm, even your washing machine, all run on code. Let's recap what you've learned today. A program is a set of instructions for the computer. Programming is how we tell computers what to do. Computers follow exact steps, they never guess. Every digital system you use runs on programs. Great job, guys, completing lesson 1. In the next lesson, we'll learn how programming languages actually work, and what makes C and Python different. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe bell, and comment your favorite program below.